चलिए एक नया टॉपिक है, बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट टॉपिक है. दिस इज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट टॉपिक एंड 1 marks क्वेश्चन, 2 marks क्वेश्चन frequently being asked in board exam. Student, suppose number of particles in CCP, cubic closed packed structure, or in a crystalline solid, number of particles say it is n, capital N. Then there will be equal number of octahedral voids. Number of octahedral voids will be equal to n, and number of tetrahedral voids it will be equal to 2n. What is the number of particles in CCP in a crystal? Suppose it is n, then there will be n octahedral voids, and twice of that number, with that 2n will be tetrahedral voids. Now we will take one question here. Suppose p types of atoms form CCP and q type of atom occupy all tetrahedral voids. Write chemical formula of the crystal or that compound. So what will be solution of this question? Simple. Number of particle in CCP, you know P. How many atoms? P, and these are equal to n, number of particle in CCP. Particles in CCP. And Q equal to tetrahedral voids, means it will equal to tetrahedral voids. So it is equal to 2n. So what is the ratio of P is to Q? It is n is to 2n. So that is, it is 1 is to 2. So what will be the formula of this compound here? P, what is the ratio? Simple ratio P is to Q. What is the simple? 1 is to 2. So formula is PQ2. Answer will be, the formula of that crystal, the formula of that compound will be PQ2. It will be PQ2. Clear? Again, number of particles in CCP, say it is n, you can take x, y, z, etc. Then equal number of, there will be equal number of tetrahedral voids, n, and double of octahedral voids. So suppose we are having one question, p type of atoms occupy all CCP sites, and q types of atom occupy all tetrahedral voids. Then write the chemical formula of that crystal or that compound. So P is equal to n and Q will be 2n, means this is equal to tetrahedral voids. So P is to Q is n is to 2n. So simple ratio is 1 is to 2. So formula is PQ2. अब एक क्वेश्चन लेते हैं हम लोग इसी टाइप से, बहुत ही सिंपल क्वेश्चन है. ए कंपाउंड इज फॉर्म्ड बाय 2 एलिमेंट्स m and n. Element m forms CCP and element n occupy 1/3 of the tetrahedral voids. Write formula of the compound. ध्यान से देखिए, क्वेश्चन को ध्यान से पढ़िए आप. तो इसके सॉल्यूशन में हम क्या करेंगे? दिस इज वन क्वेश्चन. Simple solution. Element m. Suppose element m is equal to x. Okay. X is what? Number of particle form CCP. And n will be, n occupy all tetrahedral voids. So how many tetrahedral voids are there? 2x. Tetrahedral will be 2x. So how many n? N is equal to 2/3, 1/3 of, 1/3 of 2x. So it will be 2/3x. Again, m is equal to, suppose it is x, it is the number of particle in CCP. Suppose it is x. Why we have taken here x? Because n we have taken here one element. Already it is assumed that capital N. So m type of atoms, m type of element is equal to x. Then n will be equal to 1/3 of 2x. 2x what? 2x is the number of tetrahedral word, double of this. So it will be 2/3x. So what is the simple ratio of n is to n? It is x is to 2/3x. That is 1 is to 2/3. That is 3 is to 2. So ratio of m is to n is equal to 3 to 2. So formula will be m3n2. Formula will be m3. How many m? 3. How many n? 2. So formula will be m3n. Very simple. So we can do such type of question. Now look here, another question here, that a compound is formed by two elements, element X and element Y. Element X forms CCP, element X form CCP, and element Y occupy 4 center of faces of FCC unit cell. Write formula of that compound. So now this is another question. A compound is formed by two elements X and Y. Element X forms CCP and Y occupy 4 center of faces of FCC. Then of unit cell. Write its molecular formula. Now its simple solution. X is, suppose this is a simple integer, stoichiometric constant. So we know that in FCC crystal lattice number of particle per unit cell is 4. So suppose x is equal to 4x. Total number of particle is 4x. And y will be 2x. Why 2x? Because each center of phase in FCC contribute how much? 1/2. And each center of phase act as octahedral voids. So means each particle at the center of phase is an octahedral voids, and you know contribution from there is 1/2. So from 4 center of faces it will be 4/2, that is 2. So how many octahedral void will be there? 2. So if total particles will be 4x, then octahedral voids will be 2x. So what is simple ratio? X is to y is equal to 4x is to 2x. That is 2 is to 1. Then formula will be x is to y is equal to this. So formula will be x to y. Simple. Again, x is 4x. Why we have taken 4x? Suppose x is a simple number, simple ratio. So number of particles, it is 4x, or you can write simple 4. You can write not x, you can write simple 4. And y will be 2. Why will be 2? Because each center of phase contribute half in FCC, and each center of phase act as an octahedral void. So how many octahedral voids will be from 4 center of phases? 4/2, that is 2. So simple ratio of x is to y, you can take 4 is to 2. So that is 2 is to 1. That is formula will be x is to y.